Magical Rose. Or Magical Plata yun. Wow, there you have it. Yes, there you go. Okay, so what is the magic word?
Happy birthday, Bella!
Okay, one word po siya. Kasi one, what's the magic word? Okay, happy birthday, Bella. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this time we will have our game. So, kids, minimum to maximum. Maximum to minimum. Ayan. I-arrange nyo lang yung sarili nyo according to the category. For example, arrange yourselves according to your height. Of course, ayan. Depende po sa category kung minimum siya to maximum. Of course, magsisimula po tayo sa pinakapanda o sa pinakamatangkad. Alright? Maliwanag po ba yun, guys? Okay, so syempre, after yun po Tinkle Bilog. Tinkle Bilog. Oh my God. Tinker Bella na lang para mas madali. Kasi may efficiency ka sa akin na masyado makapronounce ng T. Okay, so we have okay, once again, team?
Tinker Bella.
Tinker Bella and team? Lovers. Okay, so guys, are you ready?
Yes!
Yes, they are all ready. Okay, so yung first category. Okay? Maximum to minimum. Okay, so it means pinakamalaki o sa pinakamaliit. Alright. Maximum to minimum, maximum to minimum. Arrange yourselves according to the size of your waistline. Go! Next category. Okay guys, minimum to maximum, minimum to maximum. Arrange yourselves according to the month. The month of your birthday from January to December. Go! Okay. Now we're going to be lovers. According to your complexion from darkest to whitest. Go! Ayan na, ang saya. Ang saya-saya. Happy birthday! Ano nangyari? Ayun, prayer meeting. Okay, so, and letter. The first letter of your middle name, go! Middle name. Okay, the lovers. Be careful. Nagkakapilakan sila. Middle name po. First letter ng middle name. Okay. So, ma'am, ano po yung first letter? A. H. R. 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 Okay, 3 points! Sa team ng lovers. Okay, so, you have us sa dito. Okay. Lumatay. Saya, saya. Okay, ano po ulit yun? Wow, so okay guys, solid line. No, one same tayo po. Sa totoong pangalan ni Ma'am Bella. Okay, ilang
Walang
letters?
middle.
Oh no.
Buti yung
Wala
pangalan
din.
niya.
Ay, ma'am. Okay. Ang lapa, ang saya. Wait for my signal. Wala pa signal. Si Ma'am nag-iisip si Tito kasi alam. Ayun, nag-iisip din si Ma'am. I'll give you time to think. Nag-iisip din si Ma'am. Alam. Ang saya-saya! Okay. Ilang letra po? Okay na po yun. Ang saya-saya. Ikaw din yung surname? 14 po. Okay. So, 14 letters. Okay. So, mapupunta po yung points sa Team A. Ang birthday ni Bella. Come on! Ang saya-saya! Go! Yes, of course. Ayan, guguluhan siya. Oo. Kaya ng birthday ni ano po? Okay! Ano po tawag sa inyo? Okay, so 2 points! Ayan. Leave you with nothing. With the lovers. Next. So we have... Okay, so 0 points, 2 points, 0 point, 2 points. Okay, America, nasan mo? Mandalo yung N. Ano? Ang favorite color ni Ma'am Bella. Ang siya-siya. Sino na? Okay. Of course, we have green. 3 points. Okay guys, wake up. Ano nangyayari sa inyo? Sampal sa mukha. Okay. Alright, so next category. Ayan, geography naman tayo. Geography. Okay. Saan ipinanganak si Ma'am Bella? Go! Ang siya-siya! Blue. Okay, Ma'am Blue. Outside the Philippines. Here. Ayan, blue na lang. Ang siya-siya. Yun, your turn. So, points mo pupunta sa... Makati,